End of the Year Go Math Assessment Part 4. Get out your scratch paper, a sharpened pencil, and an extra eraser. Please make sure that you take your time solving each of the questions. At any moment, you can pause the video, you can rewind it, start it again, watch it as many times as you need so that you can be as successful as possible. I will be reading aloud the questions to you. Again, take your time. Don't forget at the very end that you need to submit your answers. Part 4 begins with question number 25. Mr. Campa made a tally chart of the trees he sold. How many pine trees did Mr. Campa sell? (26) Use the bar graph. How many children do not take the bus to school? (27) Which number has the digit 2 in the hundreds place? (28) Which shows another way to write the number? (29) Look at the pattern. What number comes next? (30) Which of the following is true? (31) What is the total value of the coins? Look closely at the face of each coin so that you know its value before you add. 32. Hugo wants to buy a bottle of juice that costs $1. Which coins have a total value of $1?